can you expect from the after-sales service offered by the various manufacturers? Our head of technical support, Franz Gruber, will answer this question. Thank you for being here today. I would like to ask you the question, what after-sales services should I expect from a manufacturer?
Well, for us, it's very important to actually offer services wherever we sell a machine. So regardless if you're in Eastern Australia or in Western Canada, that you have a partner to contact, that you can call somebody, you have email support, and you have, remote support. Basically, we offer support teams all over the world. These are our own companies with the service teams there. But we also have a partner network across the globe, 80 plus partners. I stopped counting at one point, who are basically there if you're in need for service.
So if somebody needs instant support in terms of technical issues, somebody will be there, right? And you can just get in contact with Trotec. And
I'm not sure if it's always instant, but we try to be fast with response. It's anywhere we get a question, if we are online or if a customer calls us, we offer support. We also go into the machines with remote tools to see if we can diagnose the issue better. And if push comes to shove, we actually go on site, we check the machine there, we diagnose it, and we regularly have the spare parts with us to get you up and running again.
Yeah, I guess that's also, if you would say so too, one of the USPs of Trotec, where like all the parts pretty much communicate with each other because it's an integrated system. And that's why it makes it kind of like quite easy for our service technical support team to really find a solution to every problem, right? If it was in the exhaust system or in the laser machine itself or anything else, like the issues can be dealt with quite easily and quickly.
Oh yeah, I mean the machines are not too complex in that respect. And one really big point that I'd like to emphasize is that we also take care of our own technicians, that we train them, and that we make sure that they're up to date on procedures, on documents, and clearly that we have the parts available on site when you need them.
I guess that in terms of maintenance, that is also something very important, because it does make sense to have the system in place where you don't really get into any kind of troubles, right?
Right. I mean, it's always not such our favorite topic to discuss breakdowns and machines that don't work. So there are really a few very simple and clear procedures that customers can take care of by themselves. And for this, we offer web support. We've got our YouTube channel with service videos there to make sure that the customer selects the right lens, that the machine's taken care of after jobs or every month. You check the filters and things like that. It's very simple, and it just has an incredible effect on the lifetime of the machine and the problem issues that arise out of that.
Mm. I think I've seen one of the guides also that are being sent with the laser machine, just so that everybody knows what time, like in what time frames I need to do what kind of maintenance, and it's actually quite easy to do, right?
Yeah, well, you've got these daily, weekly, monthly kind of schedules there that you check and you see that the machine is in working order, and then you basically be okay.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Are there any contract packages or something like this in place that should be offered to the customers?
Yeah, well, you've got a few things. Well, maintenance if we go past what the customer can do, we come on site, check the machine once a year. That could be a maintenance contract. We also offer advanced packages with a few flavors in there. Some are kind of insurance-based, where you have calculated costs of ownership, and basically this peace of mind issue that we will take care without huge additional cost once you do have an issue.
Yeah, and I guess it's also very important to offer some trainings, right? To really know how the laser machine works and how to deal with troubles like instantly.
Sure. I mean, there's one aspect that's very important at the point of installation when you get the machine, that we show you how to utilize it. That's one aspect. A very important part, though, is also the health and safety aspect, that you really have a clear idea. This is a laser machine. This is how you operate it safely, and you are clear about that as well. Once it goes into longer utilization, if you've got the machine for a few months or a year, you start thinking about questions that you have about a specific application that didn't come out well, or you're even changing processes, you're getting in a new material. Then it makes a lot of sense to also ask us for a dedicated training to get you up to speed on that process. So this could be online, remote. Everybody's used to this online world these days, and chatting over video chat. But we also have presence trainings. This could be individually coming on site to our customers, showing the customers on their machine how to do things. But also we offer group trainings in one of our showrooms or in an application center to really have people come together, discuss their application, and have a specialist show them through the efficient process to make the output work as desired and in the fastest manner.
We also offer DIY instructions on our website. If you have any further questions in terms of the after-sales service at Trotec, please get in touch with us.